In this video, we're going to create activity sheet BAC 3.3. So as you can see on the screen, I've already used two vertical viewport configuration and pasted the orthographic views or the dimension on the left side. And we're going to create the solid model on the right side. If we analyze this object, it's better to use the top view as our base for the solid model. Okay, so we're going to create the base first using circle with radius, I think radius 58. So the radius 58 is this one. Then, using the center of this, we're going to create a horizontal reference line so we can determine this location. Making sure that the ortho is turned on. Okay, so we create a straight line. No, it's not. I'm going to pan this a little up. Then creating other circles, one with radius 28 and another one with diameter 22. And you must not forget the diameter 28 here. I'm not going to create this diameter 72 because this will be on the face of this base after we extrude or press pull it with a height of 24. So now we're going to create these lines using our reference line and using the offset command. Okay, so we're going to offset this line with the distance 28. So here, 28. Going to trim excess lines, excess parts. And for this line, we're going to erase and press pull. Or not yet, because we need to create this part first. So here I'm going to create a line without any specific length. I will move this on the center, midpoint to the center of this circle. We're now going to offset this by 28 because the length of this is 56 divided by 2, that's 28. So now we're going to create a line from the intersection of the circle and the line. Another one, this one. Trim the excess lines. Then, let's delete the unnecessary lines. Now we're going to use press pull to create this height 24. Next, we're going to create now, or we're going to use the diameter 72 here, the center, or we're going to get the center of this circuit. Then D for diameter 72. Okay, to get the height of this cylinder, 62 less 24, that's 38. So using press pull, okay, that's 38. So we're almost there. Going to pan this down. Now, for this part of our object, we're going to create it separately and then add it to this main object. First, we need to create a rectangle with the length of 56, but we can assume the width of that rectangle. So D for dimension, 56 length, and let's assume the width is 30. Okay, and also we're going to assume the height of that box. Okay, let's say it's 50. Okay. We're now going to modify the UCS so we can create this angle where we can use to press or pull the excess. Okay? UCS 3 points. Or you can use UCS face. Line. Then, using the angle sign and typing in 40 because that's the angle. And extending the line anywhere as long as it's outside the box. Now, we can use press pull to eliminate the side we don't need. And then, we're going to move this on its designated side. Okay. Now, because this is one part of the inclined object, we're going to use mirror so we can mirror this object. We're not going to repeat the process of creating this. So let's make sure that our UCS is in the world. In the world. Use the mirror command to replicate it. Then, use U and I to unite or to join the three separate objects. Okay. To check if we created correct object or solid model. So that's it. So 467,961.1986. That's the correct volume of this solid model.